environment are you creating in your house? What are the songs that you play in your house? What is the environment? One day that environment might become a stronghold. Kila siku unasikizanga mawimbo za kupendwa na mamovie za kupendana. Now you are depressed, you are single. Ni environment inakusumbua. Enda uweke wimbo za intercessory, uone kama vitu zingine zinakusumbua. Utasukia umeamuka saa 10 baluda rapaya while you are in prayer. What environment? When you put those earphones, what are you listening to? What are the words? Because they create a mental environment. Who are the people you listen to? Delivered from the power of death. 70 demons every Kenyan must overcome. No, whatever you put in your ear will begin to form your mind and shape your perception. So you must be intentional. What do you play in your car? My hip hop za 1950. I'm gonna shoot you. I got $1 million in my heart. I got 1,000. Na ndio maana hata kiburi imekuingia. Hata vile unaendesha hiyo gari uko umetoa mkono nje. Huyo si Holy Spirit. Hiyo ni roho ya Tupac na BIG. Tell your neighbor, okoka. Gari ziokoke. We must be environmental.